Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and return your products from Shein to them. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, I would like you to go to your Shein.com on your browser, or you can simply go access your app as well. Once you have done so, we're gonna go to our home page first to show you the whole process. We will be in our home section when we access our browser or app first. Afterwards, we're going to go tap ahead on this option called Me over here on below right corner of the screen. In this option you can find all of the stuff, all of the information regarding our purchase and everything. Now afterwards, what you're going to do, you can see this my order section and tap on this view all option. If you would like to return something that has to be shipped to you, you're going to go ahead tap on the shipped option. And since I do not have any order that has been shipped already to me, so you will find all of the listing of orders right over there. If you'd like to return something, then you can tap on this return option that will be given below. Return, confirm, and repurchase option. You can tap on this return application option, and then you go to this return section that will take you to the returns application section, and then you will have to choose a reason for it. And once you have added the reason, that application will be done and will be sent. Then afterwards, when it's done, and then afterwards you're going to go ahead and you can choose the payment, how you want it to be refunded, or what method you would like to. You can go ahead choose the method that you would like to receive a refund. Once you have done so, when you have confirmed your application, you will be able to return a particular item from Shein. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.